Question number 8. The phenomenon of the effect of the environmental limit is caused by A. Overexploitation, B. Loss of habitat, C. Environmental pollution, D. Habitat fragmentation. Think about it. Think about it. Yes, of course, it will be. Yeah. The answer here is the habitat fragmentation. If I'm talking a little bit about the habitat and what is the habitat fragmentation and how it come and why can we even overcome it, okay, I'm gonna saying that the habitat is the place where the organism live. Okay, if there is anything that causes the fragmentation of the habitat, for example, if there is a environmental or let's say something common that we can see every day. If you are walking by the high road and there's a camels that encountered by a road, this road caused a habitat fragmentation. But the government, in order to overcome this, it makes a camel cross. So the camel cross is known as a habitat corridor in order to rejoin the camels with their habitat. That's very important.